Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So basically now today we are going to see another program in the Python programming language, and my program says to me that write out a Python program to calculate number of days between two dates. Okay, now my question says to me that I need to write out a program in which I have two dates. Okay, let's say I have a date which is let's say 7/3/2021. Let's say this is my first date, and let's say another is basically 23 2001 sorry 2021. Okay, let's say these are the dates which I'm having. Now I need to write out the program for calculating the number of days between these two particular dates. That basically what are the number of days that come between these two dates which I have taken. Okay, let's say I want to calculate that between 3rd of July and 20th or 20th of July, what are the number of total days that come in between these two dates. So for that actually I just need to write out the program. Right, I hope that I made this clear to you first of all, that what is the program actually asking you to do. Now as we all know that whenever we are just talking about date or time, so in that case the very first thing that we actually need to do is that first of all we need to import out the date time module, right? So I would just begin here while writing out my program only. First of all, I'd be importing out my date time module. Import date time. Okay. Now date time has been imported here. Now, but date time importing will be doing in some another way. Okay. See, when I told you the previous program, for the first program where we had discussed about finding out the date and the time, right? We had discussed this already. In that, what we had done, we had simply imported date time. Why? Because we wanted the date and time both. Now, I only want my date to come here. I do not want my time to actually come here because that is not asked to me in my question. On my question, I am only asked to calculate the number of days between two dates. So what's the need of taking out the time as well here? There we just wrote date time dot date time. So from that we were importing from the date time module, we were importing the date and the time as well. But here I simply want to use the date only. So for date, simply date, we do not have any particular function or something like that. So in that case, what I would just do is that I'm writing from date time import date, right? So from my date time module, the date time module which I am having, I am importing the date from that particular module. There is type of function which we actually have here inside the date time module. So if you just write date in the starting and into the bracket, you just write out some, let's say you write out 2021, and then let's say you write out some month, let's say 7, and let's say you just write out some date that is, let's say 3. Okay. So in that case, it will actually treat your date as 2014. The month will be the 7 and date will be actually 3. So that would be 3rd of July 2014. Okay, this is the idea that how it will actually convert out that numbers into the form of a date. So this is the use of this particular date function which we actually have here. Okay. Okay, I would just write out the dates which I want to calculate between. Okay, I would just take the two dates for which I want to calculate the number of days between them. Okay, so that will go date 1. Okay, date 1 is my variable, and into that I'll be using out the function that is date, and inside that I'll be writing out the one date. Let's say I'll be writing 2021 is my year. After that we have month. So let's say month is actually, let's say 7. And what's my date? Let's say date is 2. Okay, so here we have 2nd of July 2021. Okay, this is my first date which I have actually entered. Now if I write date 2 is equal to, in that case I'll be again taking that date function. My year is 2020. Okay, that is 2021. What about my month? So that is again the same one. And okay, date above I have taken 2. Now here let's say I'll be taking as 22. Okay, so here I have taken out my date which is 22. So I would be calculating the number of days between these two particular dates that I am having, which is 7th, okay, that is 2nd of July 2021 and 22nd of July 2021. I'll be calculating out the number of days between these two dates actually. Okay, so for that what I would just do is that I would take out a variable. Let's say that is calc underscore days. Okay, leave that. I'll be taking here as total underscore days. Okay, total underscore days. Now, what can I do actually here? What I can just do is that I can subtract the larger date from the smaller one. That is super easy, right? I can just take out the variable in which I have stored the greater date, greater number for the date, and I would just take out the variable for which I have stored the lesser number, that is my smaller date, and I would just subtract both of them and print out the variable in which I am storing this out, right? So just have a look at what I'm just doing here. I'm writing date 2 subtracted by date 1, because in date 2 I am having the larger date and in date 1 I am having the smaller date. Okay, and we do not want that date sign in the date when we are calculating number of days. In that, some minus sign should come, because we do not have anything like this, right? So in that case only I had taken date 2 in the first and date 1 at the last. Okay, now what I would just do is that I write a print statement. The okay, I would just write the number of days between between 2 7, okay, that is 2 7 21 and 22 7 21 is, I would put out a colon. Okay, let me come here, put out a comma and write out the variable in which I have stored out the value, and that is for me, that is total underscore days, right? This is how I'll be entering out my statement. Let me just close this as like this, so hope you're able to see clearly, right? So that I have done. So here we have total underscore days. Now what I would just do is that I would run out my program here for a while. Okay, so see what it is actually giving me. It is actually giving me that the number of days between 2 7 21 and 22 7 21 is 20 days, and this is this, right? This is giving me that basically there are total 20 days between this particular range that you have taken. Okay, let's give it one more try. Let's give out some new value, some another value as well. Let me just give out some here. Let's, instead of 2, let's say I'll be giving here 12. Okay, and here let's say I'll be giving out 23. Okay, now I would just again run this here. Now it will be telling me that the number of days between 2 7 21, okay, that I have not changed here, leave that. So that is total 11 days. Here also I just need to change out the values which I have taken. Okay, so that is 12. Let me just add here as 12, and instead of 22 we have 23. Now it will come absolutely correct. Let me run that again once here. Okay, so now it is telling me the number of days between this 12 7 21 and 23 7 21 is 11 days. Correct? So this is actually how we just write out a program for calculating the number of days between the given two dates. Okay, I hope that you got a very clear and a fair idea regarding this program, that how to solve this out and what is the technique that you should apply. While listening out the question, it seems to be very difficult, but when you just think from your brain about this particular, that how to do it, then it is super easy to do that, right? Simply you need to take out two dates and simply you need to subtract that dates, and you'll be getting out the number of days which you are having between that dates, right? So I hope this is very much clear to you. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.